morning, everyone. We're gonna be turkey hunting today. It's from the chair.
Hey, can you give us an MTV Cribs tour? A BW Films Shanty tour, house version?
The shanty tour, alright. This is the main lodge area. I like to sit here on the couch.
Did you catch that?
No, I actually swear I caught that.
Sweery?
Yeah.
Oh. What about the walleye?
I shot that with my bow fishing bow.
What do we got going on here?
We got a little. Dude, check out
Do you gamble here?
Yeah, we do. We play some euchre.
Euchre?
Yep.
I don't think I've heard of that actually.
My brother claps me, but it's fine. Wait, hold on. Check out my fine table I made in school. Yeah.
Dude, I was checking it out. It's nice. Alright. Okay, big gains in here. Big gains.
Big gains.
Bro, you're huge.
I know.
Your back looks good from
You're
sitting
small.
in that chair. You guys should spar.
No, we're about to spar.
Oh.
Fuck
Alright.
spar. Oh, we're about to spar.
What?
You gotta pop the lanyard out in the films.
Why? Dang, dude. You got all those out of the park?
Yep. Mmm.
Dude, which one? That's a hard decision.
See, honestly, like, I'm feeling this one, but like, that one has a little dent right
That
there.
left one do be looking
That left
gas.
one does, but then like if I try to get my hand around it, I might touch it, and then
Nah,
it just.
you just get in from that side.
All right.
Well, you didn't have to get that one out of the way. All right, that was enough, son.
That was actually really good.
All right, whatever.
Mm. All right, let's go, Mr. Turkey.
Well, what is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to another video. If you guys are not subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you guys go down below this video and click on that subscribe button. This morning, we are up nice and early. I left my house around 3:30 this morning and drove down south here and met up with my boy Hunter and Jake, and we're gonna do some turkey hunting. Well, I'm not gonna do some turkey hunting, I'm doing some turkey filming. These boys are gonna be doing some turkey hunting. I'm gonna let Hunter explain to you guys what we got going on a little bit. He has been down here around his house scouting a little bit and watching these turkeys for the last few days, so he has a better idea of what is going on, so we're gonna let him talk to you.
All right, so last couple days I've been scouting down on a property kind of by my house. It's a family member's property, and I want to say close to about 8 to 12 gobblers in the area. I got 3 for sure locations where they're roosted, not for sure down the bottom where we're gonna be, but we're gonna get in there nice and quiet. It's about 5 o'clock on the dot, so.
Jeez, dude, we're late. This spot's far.
We are late.
too.
We got about an hour, so I think we'll be fine.
We will be fine.
We'll see.
What's it? You're shooting? Are you shooting first? If one comes in, you're shooting, right? Jake's shooting?
Yep. We'll leave that.
Jesus. All right. So Jake's shooting if one comes in. If 2 come in, they're both shooting.
Yeah.
So hopefully that would be the ideal situation.
That would be nice. Or there is a bearded hen, so
Ooh.
I might have to have Jake shoot a bearded hen.
Okay, so like Hunter said, he's been scouting these birds and watching a few different properties, and he's got them kind of pinpointed. That's what we got going on right now. We're gonna head towards the field and try to get our butts going here, and we will see you all at the spot. Also, I was late this morning. I got pulled over for expired tabs. I don't know why, they were only like a year expired. Also, if you haven't tried the Cherry Limeade Rain energy drink, it's pretty good. I think it's better than the white gummy bear, honestly. Do you have any Strutter Tom decoys?
I don't.
Okay, see, I have one of those, the avian one.
Yeah.
Chance said it's the best decoy ever, Chance Pratt.
Chance is kind of a nuff son.
Yeah,
so
Chance
he doesn't
said-
really know what he's talking about.
I don't believe him.
Yeah. Chance Pratt told me that the Strutter Tom decoy is the best decoy you can use for turkey hunting, especially if your daddy owns a golf course. Dude, you see that? Burberry.
Blueberry. Blueberry. Put my
Okay.
seatbelt on.
You should. I'm gonna drive very crazy.
Strapped up. Ready to go?
You guys are both using shotguns this morning, huh?
I'm actually using my hybrid crossbow. It doesn't look like a crossbow because it's a non-gender identified crossbow, so it's like identified as a gun. But I'm gonna be using this today.
Right on.
This will probably be the last time I really talk to you guys too much because we want to be quiet in there. But this morning it said it was going to be like a 17-mile-an-hour wind, and it's only like 7 or 8 miles an hour right now. So it is nice and calm. Hopefully we can hear these things gobbling a little bit this morning. It's a little chilly. I think it's like 37 or 40 degrees and pretty cloudy today. The wind is going to pick up, so I don't know how the birds are going to act, but there's a ton here. We have good chances, so we will see you guys once we get the blind set up.
Let's get her done.
Quiet. Dude, nice job ruining the hunt, idiot.
Dude, we're deer hunting. Dude, come on. What are you doing?
Well, boys, looks like I messed up. I had A, my grandma's property, or B, my uncle's property, and I chose my uncle's. And I sent my two Nevson brothers out there, and they set my blind I set up. And I guess two toms come running out. It is currently 6:46, and they are doubled up. What a shame.
It sounded like one tom that gobbled one time, shot gobbled, like 200 yards from us in the close woods, and then in the far woods, which is like probably 500 yards, something like that from us, there was quite a bit of turkeys over there gobbling, so there's a bunch of birds in our area. So we're gonna wait for these birds to work over to us, and hopefully we can get a turkey here soon.
Big Tom pushing towards us this way, coming up from the tree line down the logging road. Sorry.
I shot too, but like almost just about the time you did.
Your gun click, no way.
Hey, those ones might come.
Hey,
We got one tom down. We actually had two hens yelping and a couple gobblers back from across the road. Not where we were really expecting them to come from. They were the furthest birds that were roosted away. but those ones made it here first. Jake's gun was acting up. He pulled the trigger and the shell didn't go off, so that kind of sucked. So Hunter shot that one first. That means Jake still has to get his bird, but the rest of these turkeys surprisingly aren't spooked, and they're starting to head this way. So we got 2 hens coming at us, and the toms are following pretty close behind. So hopefully we can get our second bird here, but so far so good. That was freaking awesome. All I can say is that was awesome. That was sweet, dude. He was maybe, I don't even know if you guys can see, but he was probably right on the other side of those hay bales. Had to be about like 5 yards. That was so close. And he came strutting in. We actually have a decoy knocked over from the wind, and the hen was just going crazy, just spit burning and clucking. And that tom came in probably 5 yards and walked straight out. Yeah, that was sick, dude. And we rolled. Are those hens still coming over here? Those hens. All these hens are right here. Oh, yeah. They're looking pretty up. Look at that, boy. Nice bird, brother. Yes, sir.
Let me get his fan better. There we go.
Nice turkey, dude. Okay, so Hunter just went out there and grabbed his bird, as you can see. Nice tom. We still just got that one down. It is about 9:30 right now, something like that. And all those toms were over on that back wood line, strutting around pretty much all morning. There was like 5 big toms over there, and they are all henned up with a bunch of hens. And just like 10 minutes ago, they all took off. The hens started getting a move on, and the toms followed them, and now they are back on the other side of that swamp. So we're gonna give it like another hour here, see if these birds pop back out somewhere, and see what happens. Okay, well, unfortunately, nothing happened. Those jakes messed around out in the field for like another half an hour, but it is a little after 12 o'clock right now, so we're probably going to pack up out of here. Shoot one of those.
Nice.
Freaking Jakes will just not leave us alone. We are just getting back to the truck and we're gonna get out of here, but one turkey down for Hunter. That leaves Jake's tag still needing to be filled. I also have to buy archery license, so you guys can look forward to that. But for this video, that is going to wrap it up. If you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure you guys click that like button and subscribe to the channel down below this video, and we will see you all on the next one. See ya!
See ya.
See ya!